CorelDRAW provides you with all the tools you need to professionally prepare your files for output or export to a wide range of applications, including print, web, signage, fashion, and illustrations. The software is designed to give you the greatest level of flexibility while satisfying the most rigorous industry standards. In this practical activity, we'll look at how to print your work. Let's explore some of the possibilities that CorelDRAW offers us. In this tutorial, we'll look at CorelDRAW printing options. Kindly hit the Open Document button on the welcome screen. Then head over to the Exercise Files folder and head to M4 Print and Export. In the M4 Print and Export folder, you will find the 01 Print and Export CorelDRAW exercise file. We'll be working with this file throughout this module. This will help us get a good sense of the different export options and the resultant output. Kindly hit the Open button. This brand book is another compelling design from the CorelDRAW template library. Let's interrogate this document real quick. What we have is an 8-page document that's made up of spreads. Let's explore some of the print options. We'll go to the File menu and choose Print. CorelDRAW offers you the most comprehensive print options in its class. We'd like to start by having a preview of what we're looking at. So alongside the preview button, kindly click on the expand icon. This will give us a print preview on the right side. Let's start by chatting about some of the possibilities. Of course, how and what you are able to print is determined by the capabilities of the printer that you have access to. Here we'll choose to create a PDF file to cater for the broadest range of print output. Of course, we can change orientation and we can use a dedicated PostScript printer driver if we have a specific need to do so. You're able to set the number of copies and choose which pages you would like to print. So you can see that the General tab is fairly straightforward to work through. Let's now look at the Color tab. The Color tab allows you to create what we call a composite, which is what you're seeing on the right side, or the ability to create separations. Separations are required for high-quality commercial print output. We will explore separations in more detail when we look at the print preview options. The fundamentals that you'd want to consider at this level without us overwhelming you with technical information is whether you'd like to output in CMYK mode, grayscale, which is black and white, or RGB, which is the requirement of certain types of printers, for example, large format printers. You'll also able to generate a color profile for specific types of output. So, for example, the current setting is US Web-Coded Standard Web Offset Press version 2. CorelDRAW comes with a complete range of various profiles that align to ISO standards. For example, Coded Fogra 39. Let's explore the Layout tab. This tab allows you to set up the print job by specifying the size, position, and scale of your print output. So, for example, you can print your file as it is in the document. You can choose to fit it to page if it is larger or smaller than the printer page capacity. And you can even choose to tile your pages if you are printing a large design on a smaller paper format. CorelDRAW also offers powerful imposition options, and once again we will talk about this option in greater detail in an upcoming lesson. One important aspect of CorelDRAW print interface is it gives you a real-time commentary on any potential problems that may occur during printing. And this is invaluable. On the far right side of the tab list, CorelDRAW will point out any potential problems based on the current print setup. Here you can see that CorelDRAW is indicating that the output does not fit onto the media. These powerful preflight settings help us catch problems before we commit our artwork to paper.